let's look at the augmented chord. So an augmented chord is basically when you are just taking your third note, taking it a half step. So if maybe you are playing, let's say I'm in the key of C sharp, right? Scale. That's my one, right? My major chord one, sorry. And then now, this is my thumb here on the first note, using fret. Second note is here. Third note is here on 5, right? Now, when I want to play an augmented chord, I need to take my third note here, take it here. You see, it sounds different. I'm saying, oh, not glory, we worship you. You are worthy to be praised, right? So I just used an augmented chord right there. Let's see this in F sharp. So we give you all the glory. We worship you, my Lord. You are well. Right? And that's how you identify an augmented chord in your scale. Let me just close it off for those that are playing in C. This should be your augmented chord. Right? From 1. And close it from there.